Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's your Ingenieron Chuper. If you have watched my previous video, dead battery na tong naka-install na battery sa unit ko. I had to use this, so thank God for this battery jump starter ko. I had this for more than 4 years already. So ngayon, I am on my way to all batteries, guys. And good thing, they already have a new branch here in Lapu-Lapu. All batteries, guys, has been my all-time rescuer sa car and sa motor. And also all batteries has been our all-time one call sa mga members ng club namin dito sa Cebu. So 24/7 silang open, 24/7 silang makapag-rescue, 24/7 silang home service. So for me, I've enjoyed that several times, but this time is ako yung pupunta sa branch nila kasi I want to check kung saan itong bagong branch nila. So slowly lang tayo kasi hindi pwedeng lumampas. Baka ano tayo malayo yung pag-u-turn na natin. Oy, eto na. Eto. Ayan si Sir Mark. Alright. Mas dako gyud ni ilahang branch dire. Nice. Abti ka ni Sir Mark ay. Op. So eto guys. Let's go. Sir, morning. So ayan guys, eto yung new branch nila. And then mas malaki nga siya. So eto yung location niya. So if you are from the old bridge, just go straight papunta dito and makikita niyo tong all batteries. Ayan. So if you want to contact them, ayan. Ayan yung contact numbers nila. So eto guys, pasok muna tayo. Good morning. Sir, good morning. Mas dako ni inyo hang guwaron ba? No? Yes. And by the way guys, para sa mga campers or mahilig mag-camping, so all batteries also have this brand or product here. Ano to? EcoFlow Power Station. So ito good for camping talaga, pang matagalan. If you need power supply sa mga camping nyo, ito EcoFlow. Very nice. Sa material pa lang makikita mo ng branded or maganda yung quality. So sir, what's your name?
Charlie, sir.
Charlie. Tyron, sir. Tyron. Hi, ma'am. So sir, na ako diri karon is to have my battery replaced. So unsa may inyo i-recommend sir kanang pinaka kay DIN 55 or 66 ni, but I prefer 66 na lang.
66 na lang.
Oo. Unsa inyo i-recommend? So na sila Yuasa.
Brand, sir. Yuasa. Varta.
Varta. Okay.
Varta.
Okay. So para sa mga members ng club, ito yung options natin. So marami-rami na rin kaming mga MG5 car owners na dito kumuha kasi nga they can deliver 24/7 and also home service. So they can check kung anong problema ng unit nyo. Because basically it all boils down to battery pag ayaw na mag-start. So ito, Yuasa, DIN 66.
Yes, sir.
Kay kanipod 66 ni. So pila ni siya sir? Ang Varta
8,150, sir.
8,150. Kani?
8,800.
Diferensya lang siya mga 600 kapin.
Kini mas 21 months, kini 18 months.
Okay. So moto, I prefer longer warranty period. But if you want more affordable, Varta. Actually, nindot po siya og porma. Alright, so I choose this Yuasa. Mas prefer ko longer warranty. Actually, ang akong kuhan is nabot siya og 26 months. So, as long as guys, lumampas siya sa warranty period, sulit na yan. Hassle-free na. So ngayon, gusto ko lang maging hassle-free din yung biyahe ko. Anytime I can start my car. So I am choosing Yuasa. Again, they have different brands. Yuasa, Varta, Panasonic yung iba, may GS, Raiden. So depende sa kinakailangan ng mga unit natin. Mga sa motor, ito sa EcoFlow So maybe puhon. EcoFlow. So again guys, EcoFlow. So all batteries, it's all about batteries. So meron din sila mga batteries dito. para sa remote ng mga kotse. So, different kinds of battery, rechargeables, and chargers. So, ayan guys. Eto na. Install natin. Okay. Pindot yun yung lugar, no? Spacious, guys. You can enjoy the big space here. Guard. So, check muna ni Sir Mark yung unit or yung existing na battery ko. Alright. So,
remember the last time sir nga akong giingon nimo dapat ang battery mo provide siya at least 300 to 400 cc.
yes.
So ang gi-provide na lang sa imuha karon is
185.
185.
Mao di ay. Ito guys, oh. Yan, oh. So the health is 9%. Yung charging okay lang kasi sa ano yan alternator. Ito yung ano talaga, yung sinasabi na cranking amps. 185. Kaya pala nagka-crank lang siya pag naka-attach yung power bank ko. So, ayan.
Power bank pwede
Yes. Ito guys, oh.
Battery lang nimo ang imuhang gamiton, dili na jud siya ka-crank.
Yes.
Because ang iyahang cranking amps gi-provide is lower na sa gi-required sa
sakyanan,
which is 300 to 400.
All right. So that's why guys. So palit na tayo guys. Habang hinihintay natin 'yan, I am just I'm just sharing with you na I am happy na mas maganda na yung location nila dito. Meron na silang dedicated na parking space para safe yung unit natin while ginagawa nila yung trabaho nila. Very hamugaway kung sa Bisaya pa guys. So it's a better place now. EcoFlow Power, a new world. Alright. Yan guys, so ang kintab, no? Yan, no? Huh. So ito guys, pang profile pic. Ayan guys, tapos na. Okay na Sir Mark? Test na to. Before starting.
Same siya gyapon sa akong gipakita sa imo sa una, ang status sa imong new battery.
Okay, yes.
Para nasa kay comparison sa imong part.
Yes.
Nakaraan.
Okay.
So, live niyan 100%, then ang cranking amps 690 na.
Okay, good.
Which is higher than
Layo kayo to ga.
higher sa required.
185 to 690. So, start na natin guys. Ito guys, oh. Ayan. So, ito, normal talaga to. After that, mawawala na yan. Alright. So, tignan natin yung reading. Oh, aircon ug headlight. Okay. So,
Open mo aircon sir, no?
oh.
Okay na, normal naman yung charging.
Oh, normal charging guys. Okay. So ayan guys. Alright. So okay na yung unit natin. I am looking forward for another 2 years para sa Yuasa brand. So let's see kung kamusta yung performance niya in the long run. So ayan, pasok tayo ulit. Bayaran na natin. So yung battery na kinuha natin guys is Yuasa DIN66 21 months warranty 8,800 sir, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, 8,800. But follow kayo sa page nila. Meron silang mga promos from time to time. So mas makakatipid kayo. And also we can pay through GCash, credit card, debit,
Maya.
oh, Maya. So even on-site or kung sa magpaparescue kayo, pwede pa rin na credit card yung gagamitin nyo. And also GCash. Hindi na kayo magpoproblema kung wala kayong cash. Pwede nyong utangin. Basta bayarin lang yung credit card. Okay, 21 months guys, oh. Okay. Uy, lami ah. Nice. So, ayan guys, thank you. Sir, thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Sir Charlie. Ayan guys, oh. For your battery needs, especially for your car, all batteries guys, 24/7. Ayan. I'll see you later guys. Thank you for watching. And again, Sir Mark, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir Mark guys, managad na ako siya every time magkita kami sa road. Ayan. Alright, let's go. Uy! Friend ba nila ako? Ha? Nagilis ko battery sa akong sakyanan. Sige, amping ha. Alright, let's go. So, for the quick update lang guys, yung Panasonic ko, that was 2 years ago, December 25. Yung odometer ko was somewhere in 13,000. Ngayon, yung odometer ko is 35,330. So ayan, just an update para may reference ako.